Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go. Nah, 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 nah.
Hi ladies, hi gents, this is Cindy, and I recently, well actually today, I watched Sophia's video, her YouTube video on how she got volume in her hair, how she styled her hair, how she styled it, what she did to give it lots of volume when she wanted to go out or just have bigger hair. So I was all over it because I'm such a hair ratter anyway. So I'm gonna do exactly, I'm gonna copy Sophia because I wanna do that to my hair. She had an interesting idea. I wanna try it. So that's what this video is gonna be about. It's gonna be about me styling my hair and trying to create volume in my hair the way Sophia did in hers. And I'll be sure and link her video in my details below. So to start with, I've got my hair in my Velcro curlers, and I just spritzed a tiny bit of this ion repair solutions on the ends of my hair, and then I used my curling iron and I curled each one of these sections. Then I put my Velcro curler in it until the curl cooled down, and touched up my makeup. And then now I'm going to take my curlers out and start styling my hair. So I'll be right back when my curlers are out. Alrighty, I took my curlers out and I brushed through my hair very lightly because I don't want to pull the curl out. And Sophia did talk about using your hands to go through your hair instead of your brush, because your brush can really pull out a lot of the curl and a lot of the body right away. So, okay, now there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with this hairstyle. It's smooth, it's soft, it's there's nothing wrong with this. But if I want to judge it up, if I want to, bring on a little bit different look, then I'm going to tease it. So, what Sophia did is she took the crown of her hair. So like this part, she had a rat tail brush like this, and she said this was the kind of brush to use. This is the kind she likes to use. So I took this section, and I'm the base, and then I'm going to hairspray it. And I'm also going to zap it with the hair dryer. And lock in that rat. Okay, and she did about 5 sections down her head. So this is number 2. I'm not sure she did it exactly right. Number 3. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, then she took the sides. Actually, she did this. She went like this. She mushed all that over. And then she took these at an angle and teased them. Let's see here. It's starting to rain. We got a weather report on like our emergency TV where it goes bzz, 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 emergency fast. What is it? Fast flood warning or flash flood warning. So I'm doing that, and then I'm going to spray it a little bit. I'm going to do this. Then this side. So I went to the hairdresser today and I got color. roots and hot, fresh highlights, some warm auburn highlights, because once we go to Idaho, I'm not going to be able to go to the hairdresser because they don't really have any where we are. So it's makes it kind of hard. Okay, let's see here. I'm doing my ratting first, evidently. And then I'm going to do my spray. Now she used a very specific spray. To lock in her teasing. I don't have that. I just have this little brand right here. Okay, now this is where she said, don't use your brush. And here I'm using my brush. She said, use your hands. And she did not have a mirror. So remember, right now my effect is for volume, is for fanciness. And I mean, I'm getting it. But she does a lot of steps. I have to use my brush. A little bit. I'm going to try not to. And then what Sophia said is like, see how big it still is? She said, now just keep making it go down until you get it the size, the size that you want. Oh shoot, I forgot the number one thing she said. Oh well, I'll do that in a different video. Because she actually did two looks. She did her first look like I did, but she had a little trick. And that's what I really wanted to share, but you'll have to go look at her video to find out what that trick was. Okay, I'm still trying to just get my shape. Then, okay, that's good for me. Then what she did was she said, now go back through your hair and jidge through it. And she just kind of went. So if I wanted to, I could leave it like that, kind of messy. And if I wanted to, and it's got some height right here, I'm going to spritz some, I'm not even going to put that on. I don't like that hairspray. I'm going to put my earrings in because I just might go disco dancing. You never know. You never know. And okay, those are, I've got quite a busy little outfit on. I've worn this before, but I'll back up so you can see what this little shift I'm wearing. Okay, and whoops. So, alrighty. Yep, it's pretty big. Okay. This has a cute little and some sleeves, round neck, but it comes down low. It's not choking me. And this gives it, this asymmetrical thing helps hide a lot of figure flaws. So, okay, you guys, that's how to make your hair have volume. So, like, if I was gonna go meet Liam Neeson, this would probably be how I would want to wear my hair. If I was gonna go meet Eric Clapton, this is probably how I would wear my hair. And so there you go. You know, you never know. So this is Cindy, and until our next, let's say it together, conversation. P.S. I love you.
I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now.